Hello and welcome on my stream. So let's begin the SEA session. Well, I am in this trade which from yesterday night it is $151 in profit right now, and I want to continue with this trade. So I still have a margin of 7,000 left. So we will trade gold today. Let's come at gold. This is yesterday's opening price. Let's make it black. What the fuck? Let's make test black. Now this is normal. Let's mark today's opening price. Well, we had this trade yesterday, but which we didn't take. The opening price of the day should be somewhere here. Here it is. We are still at the opening price. We are hanging around the opening price. This is closed. This is open. Sorry, this is closed. This is open. It's this would be command dog. New day opening is Thursday, April 9th, 2026. 14. So let's look on the daily our daily candle and see and try to get the idea for the day. So we have touched the volume imbalance and now we are retracing back. So our bias is bearish today. Let's look at the here. Let's look at the same in here. So our bias is bearish today. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. The market is going to touch the April 8 NDO, and then we have this fair value gap which is resisting the prices from going lower, but we have this a lot of liquidity below which might be target for the day. We have this fair value gap which is resisting the prices from going lower. Coming back on 50 minutes time frame, we are seeing a consolidation. Then we saw a swipe of liquidity, maybe no, the liquidity was not swiped. Liquidity is still here. Coming back on 5 minutes time frame, we did not see this liquidity swipe. So we have the high of Asia open, we have low of Asia open for now. Coming back on 1 minute time frame, we neither swiped high side nor the low side, so we don't have any setup at the moment, but we are bearish. So we want to see this swipe of this liquidity and then the market to go lower. Let's look at West 100. Some interesting kind of price action is going on here. We have this inversion fair value gap, high low, high lower low. We have a rejection from this inversion fair value gap to the lower side. I might add it into my positions. I am bearish for the day. For the most of the day, I am bearish now. So I might add here. I might add one position here. Let's see how much it will cost me. I'm currently 150, $144 in profit. Here it is. Entry and stop loss will go all the way up to here, and take profit I will not decide right now. Let's look at it on 5 minutes time frame, 50 minutes time frame. My entry is all the way up here. If I get this entry and the market falls, Then my exit should be some liquidity below. Let's target this volume imbalance right here. Let me read this one first. We have this volume imbalance, or I say, if you look on daily time frame or the 1 minute time frame, you should be able to see it. It was a volume imbalance somewhere here, but it's not visible in this chart. Let's look at MNQ and see if there is a volume imbalance. Yes, the inversion fair value gap is clearly visible here. The market did touch and retraced back. The lowest hanging fruit objective would be this one, and this inversion fair value gap has been validated already. The yesterday's inversion fair value gap. This inversion fair value gap has yet not been tapped. The market might come and tap into this inversion fair value gap. After typing into this again, we also have this breaker high low. Nah, this is not a breaker. What should be the target? We can aim for this target, or we add the opening price of the day. So let's mark the opening price of the day on the here as well. 459. This is the close template, and I don't know whether this is low or high. And the low, this is Thursday, April 9, 2026. Let's make it 14 pieces wider and see if we have any. What time is this? 6 p.m. So this is the high. We have low, we have high. The market has been the market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, created this nice inversion fair value gap, and then the market rejected from there. Sorry for the that. And now the market is going back into this inversion fair value gap, and we want an entry here. Let's see if we get an entry. We can monitor this on this IMT5 screen on the left side of this of your screen. If we get this entry and then retrace lower, then that would be a great sum into the our already existing trade. Let's look at gold. Till then, the gold is not doing anything right now that is tradable by me. Let's look at Dixie. The Dixie has yet not move an upside, so that the USD JPY as well must be going to be must be lower as well. So just wait and watch until the market comes and uh, touches this inversion fair value gap again, and we get our entry. Only then there will be any decision if we will go up higher or we will just take this stop loss. I want to go lower. I am very low. I am very for the day. Let's look at daily time frame. I'm bearish till this volume imbalance. We have this volume imbalance, and I'm bearish till the volume imbalance is reached. Looking on the hourly time frame, it just rejected from this before penetrating this fair value gap. So decide if the market decides to go higher again, then there is no chance that the market will come down. Looking on the 15 minutes time frame, the market structure shift is there on hourly time frame as well, and 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute time as well. We have our market structure shift in 5 minute times as well in the lower side, but we failed to take the entry here. So if the market trades below this low, I will to try to add another entry into this short. Well, for the moment, we are in profits, and we want to continue this trade until my target is reached. Even if I have to hold like 2 to 3 days, I will hold. And let's just get rocking. Bye bye and see you. Sorry, I will just come back in 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes, please. So hello, I am back now. Now let's observe the market. The big moves are in Q, that is Nasdaq comes in London and pre-New York session only. So there is no way that we are going to get very big moves right now until or unless there is some big news by Trump or someone like that. Look for the news for the day. It's ninth, I cannot feel. We have very big impact news at 8:30 a.m. and before that we don't have any news, so we have to wait till the evening or the morning of the USA to have some big moves. And I will hold my trade till then. The trade reverse swing, I will hold it till then. Let's look at gold. We literally don't have any setups here, not even a single setup. We don't have anything. If we had swiped this liquidity, then we could have taken a buy side, or if this liquidity was swiped, then we could have taken a sell side trade. But for now, there is no trade. Let's just look at Nasdaq, and
আমি যদি একটা প্রশ্ন করি আমরা কোনো দেশকেই মনে করি না।
I hope the music is audible and my voice as well is audible. We have another inversion fair value gap here. Let's see if it reacts with this. If the market does not react with this inversion fair value gap, then if the market does not react with this inversion fair value gap, then I will have to see for a swipe of this liquidity, SSL sell side liquidity. Once this sell side liquidity is swiped, we can look for this minus IFVG to look at take a short to the downside. But for now, we had this inversion fair value gap, which the market uh, uh, went up and gave a trade, and now it's coming down. Let's look at crude oil. The crude oil really gives big moves and big trades. The crude oil has some upside potential if the market is going lower on. Let's see how it went. The market came lower as the Nasdaq went up. Sometimes it seems like that both are anti-correlated. Yes, it seems to me that they are anti-correlated. No. Uh, let's see that MQ is coming down. We have 150. We are in $158 in and we are trading funded account, and that's the best thing for right now. The market again came on to this inversion fair value gap, and then it is now retracing lower. Just wait for your setup, and we will have a great trade. Like I made like $700 on this account, then lock came all the way back to $100 in profit. Now that's called something mismanagement. I haven't received my account yet on that EFT funded account. Should I consider an entry here? But there is an inversion fair value gap on 15 minutes time frame as well. Let's change the music.
This 5-minute online store.
Yep, this suits my channel. Okay, so the market went above this inversion fair value gap, and now it has created another inversion fair value gap to the upside. But we are not taking any trades to the higher side at any cost. नीमक में चल रहा है swipe of the load. That is market. That is market signals are input. So we can get an re-entry to the short side. Let me look at gold. I am still bearish. I want to see the swipe of this liquidity here. Wait for a minute, please. I will come back very soon. Hello.
Halo, nasa ka na?
Mm,
Kaya ka ni?
हाँ. So the gold is reaching for our target. Okay, so the gold has swapped out this liquidity. It would be nice to see if this liquidity is really swiped. Then we will look for a trade to the downside. But for right now, just wait and observe the price action and let me eat my nuts. But back in 1 minute, please. Hello, I am back now. Okay, so the market is very slow and consolidative. Since I have lost my Blue Guardian futures account, there is nothing to trade on future side from me. Let's come back at 1 minute time frame and let's observe the market. The market is quite un unvol- unvolatile after this big move of the day before yesterday. Or I can say the market has become illiquid. It feels like the market is illiquid right now. We have got liquidity swipe of this, and now we can expect the market to move up. The gold market will move up slowly and steadily. Let's come back to US 100. If you look on 15 minutes time frame, there's an inversion fair value gap. The market could be rejecting because of this. Let's see if the market is able to surpass this inversion fair value gap or not. Let me remove this order. The US 100 is trying to go below this inversion fair value gap and this balance price range. This balance price range is becoming a biggest hurdle from the prices, that is restricting the prices from going lower. We have this balanced price range, so the market can move up from here. More precisely saying, this is the balanced price range. The market is just being very resistive from here. It is not willing to give a body candle close below this any of these lines. I will stream till 1 a.m. There is literally nothing here. The market is just going up and down from here. I am more interested in here and want to see what will happen when the market comes down here. The major sell side liquidity lies below these lows. Let's look at gold back. Okay, so we literally don't have anything right now yet. One could argue that this could be the thunder fair value gap, but the criteria is not met as I had thought, or as I had thought. We have not moved so far any far from the opening gap. That is one bad day. If on the normal days we would have expanded far below or above the opening gap, but today we are in under consolidation. My TP is all the way below this. My TP is all the way below this low, somewhere here, and the market is yet not ready to fall. But I know the market will fall, and I will hold my trade. That's a good big candle to the downside. Now let's see if this one is able to surpass the balance price range and the 15 minutes inversion fair value gap or not. Mhm. By the way, we are in a trade on a sort from yesterday, and I'm still holding this trade. That is why you can't see any kind of markings here. Every point is $1 for this trade. So mhm. We are still in this consolidation. This balanced price range is resisting the prices from going lower, and we still don't have anything yet. Let's get a 30 minutes time frame. And let's mark this. I've entered somewhere here. My exit is somewhere here, so it's $1,000 worth of target I have taken from a $15 of risk. So let's just hold the trade. Let's come back at gold. The gold is in consolidation as well. Let's come at crude oil. The crude oil is going up slowly and steadily, but the Nasdaq is not going down. Yeah, it's going down, but it's been resistive at this place. This is like one candle worth of points on New York session. how long we had been. We went up to this low, so this is our major sell side liquidity for the day. 20 more minutes on the stream, and then I'm out of the stream. The oil prices keeps on going higher. The US 100, so the market finally broke up to the higher side. It was not able to penetrate this balance price range, and now we are moving up. So we are still trying to move lower. My bias is that the market will fall very suddenly. If not now, then in the NY session open, the market will fall, and that's my bit. That's my bid of the marketplace. I want to see the market fall, just like a ball dropping from the sky. Let's look at gold. We barely take out this low. Now we want a market structure shift, then we can take a trade. So we will be in the macro time frame in just 20 seconds. Well, bye bye. I am up for the day, and we will meet again in the New York session. I will not stream the London session. So bye bye. Take care and be safe.